Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn off Adobe Creative Cloud notifications if constant pings are interrupting your flow. This walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can quiet things down without missing what matters. First, open Adobe Creative Cloud. You can launch the Creative Cloud desktop app from your Applications folder or System tray. Give it a moment to load the home screen. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar panel with your installed apps, updates, and stock or cloud options. Next, look to the top right of the Creative Cloud window for the account area. This is typically shown as your profile avatar or your initials inside a circle. It sits alongside the search icon and other quick access controls, so keep your eyes toward the upper right corner. Click the account icon to open the account menu. This drops down a small panel with options related to your profile and app settings. From here, you're just a couple of clicks away from the controls that manage alerts. Now select Preferences. Preferences is where Creative Cloud groups settings that affect how the app behaves. Opening it will launch a dedicated window with a sidebar on the left and detailed options on the right, organized into clear categories. In that sidebar, choose Notifications. This section centralizes the alerts Creative Cloud can send, such as updates, product tips, and promotional messages. Think of it as your control center for what shows up as toasts or pop-ups while you're working. To turn off notifications, use the checkboxes you see in this panel. Unchecking a box disables that specific type of notification. If you want a quieter experience overall, clear the boxes for categories you don't need. If you still want critical notices, leave those checked and only disable the ones that feel distracting. The goal is to tailor the noise level to your workflow. When you've set the checkboxes the way you want, click Done. This confirms your choices and closes the Preferences window. Your changes take effect right away, so you should notice fewer alerts immediately. If you decide later that you missed certain updates, simply return to Preferences, open Notifications, and re-enable the categories you want back. And that's it. You opened Adobe Creative Cloud, accessed your account area, headed into Preferences, adjusted your notification settings, and saved your changes. With notifications now under control, you can stay focused on your creative work while still keeping the alerts that are actually useful to you. Thanks for following along.